If you are one amongst the 60% of women who develop fibroids by the age of 50 years, then this comprehensive guide will help you with all the treatment options available and when surgery becomes the right choice. Hello, I am Dr. Swadha Kotpalliwar, gynecologist and women's health specialist practicing at Auradale, Nagpur. With over 12 years of experience, I want to clarify the confusion regarding the fibroid treatment and help you make informed decision about your health. Understanding fibroids, the basics. So uterine fibroids are basically the non-cancerous growth which develop in or around the uterus. They are very common and most women develop them by menopause, though not all cause symptoms. Sizes can range from tiny seedlings to masses larger than pregnancy at full term. Many fibroids require no treatment, but you have to take medical help if you experience heavy menstrual bleeding requiring changing pad every hour, periods lasting for more than 7 days consistently, severe pelvic pain or pressure affecting your daily activities, frequent urination or difficulty emptying your bladder, constipation or bloating which does not resolve, or difficulty in conceiving or recurring pregnancy losses. Non-surgical treatment options. We always start with the least invasive approaches. Hormonal medications like GnRH agonist can shrink the fibroids temporarily. Tranexamic acid can be used in case there is heavy bleeding during the periods. An intrauterine device with progestin helps reduce pain and bleeding both. HIFU, that is high intensity focused ultrasound, is a new non-invasive option that uses focused sound waves to destroy the fibroid tissue without surgery. Surgical treatment options. When conservative treatments are not effective, surgical options might be needed. Laparoscopic myomectomy. This is a minimal invasive surgery which is done laparoscopically, in which we can just remove the fibroid, and this is an ideal procedure for women wanting future pregnancies. Hysteroscopic myomectomy. In this procedure, we can remove fibroids which are present inside the uterine cavity without giving any incision on your body. Open myomectomy. For large or numerous fibroids, a larger incision is required. But with today's advanced technology, almost everything can be done laparoscopically. Hysterectomy is an option sometimes when the symptoms are very severe. So recovery and fertility considerations. Recovery varies by procedure type. After laparoscopic procedures, you can resume to your normal activity within a week to 10 days. Open procedures might take a little longer to resume to your normal activity, probably 4 to 6 weeks. For women planning pregnancies, we recommend to wait for 3 months after the procedure of myomectomy. And success rates are excellent. Over 90% of patients experience significant improvement in their symptoms. Medical tourism and international patients. International patients often choose India for their fibroid treatment because of our advanced techniques at affordable costs. We provide comprehensive packages including pre-operative consultation, surgery, recovery, support, and follow-up care. Don't let fibroid symptoms control your life. Schedule an appointment to discuss your personalized treatment plan. Virtual consultations are available for national and international patients. You can contact us at Auradale Clinic, Nagpur. I am Dr. Swadha Kotpalliwar and I am here to walk with you one step at a time.